Well, folks, last night was one of the best lightning shows I've seen in a very long time. Despite how wimpy the storm looked on radar, it produced some amazing lightning. Enjoy the show. If you replay the second clip over in very slow motion, you can see a little branch of lightning coming off of the tree. This is because the charge is trying to connect midair. This is known as ground to cloud lightning. This is a pretty rare occurrence, and I have never been able to capture it on camera.